Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make a smooth slow motion video. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Capcut, I want you to click the sign up option. From here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Creating a smooth slow motion videos in Capcut PC is easy to do. Once you launch the Capcut on your Windows PC or MacBook, I want you to click the create a new project if you want to begin your work from scratch or open an existing one. In my case, I'm going to be choosing this file in progress. Now, Capcut offers a built-in tools for speed control and video adjustments. Slow motion can help highlight key moments, creating a dramatic effects or add emphasis to action scenes. For example, in this case, I'm wanting to create a smooth slow motion. But before you can add it, you want to make sure that you click the video, not the photo, because I have three elements here, one photo and two videos. Right now, I'm selecting the photo right here. As you can see, I can drag the element. So you want to make sure on the timeline you choose the video that you wanted to implement this slow motion. In this case, I'm going to be choosing this third video, the last one. And then go to the speed option. Right here, you would notice that the normal speed is in the 1.0x. If you scrub it to the right, that means you are increasing the speed. All right, and we don't want that. But instead, what we're going to do is from the default, we're going to reduce it from a half, like 0.5. All right. And then all we have to do is it's very important to click this smooth, slow motion. Now there is like a like a processing status here, and there's a drop down menu. If you click that, there are two more options. There is the frame blending wherein it generates faster, but I wanted you to select the second option, which is optical flow. Longer time, but better quality. Just wait for it. It takes a little while. You see it's processing at around this speed, depending on your PC's capability. If your machine is built stronger and faster, the loading times can be a little bit faster. But again, I just have to wait for it because the idea of the accessing the speed control is so you can fine-tune the slow motion effect as smooth as possible. And again, you may need to adjust the frame rate and playback speed, which we're going to do later. But for now, we're going to be waiting for it. And if you want to ultra smooth a slow motion, make sure your source video is shot at a high frame rate. For example, 60 FPS or 120. This provides more frames for this slow motion effect, making it appear smoother, right? So you want to make sure that you meet that. But for now, we're gonna be dealing with what we have, and we're almost done. And as you can see, if we play it through here, wait for it, from the very beginning, you see that the slow motion is very amazing. It's amazing. It's cool, right? Again, if you are trying to render the file and if you wanted to create a better it's not lagging, you might want to go to the full and click the medium to high quality for a smoother playback, so you can slow down by 50%. So it's a lot. The slow motion doesn't appear choppy when rendering, but it doesn't affect the export button when you finalize your video file. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.